Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Crypto and here I am with the Bitcoin daily analysis, and I want to take a quick look at Bitcoin, what's going on with the Bitcoin prices. Guys, before we jump into this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and that's all I ask for. I appreciate it so much. Thanks for that. So guys, if you have seen my yesterday's Bitcoin analysis video, I told you what's happening exactly right here, and I told you that's why I'm not in any position, any trading position at the moment. Because why? Because we had a previous high which was around 50,500, and we had yesterday another lower high which was slightly lower. It was 50,400 approximately in the Binance, but still it was lower. So because of this lower high, and also in the critical situation that we are under, under this line, look at this. This was the channel that we fall out of it, and now we are back almost retesting it. So who will open actually position right here? Of course, I told you that there are some ideas behind the short opening, and of course if somebody has opened the short, hopefully took profit all the way down in here, because I also showed you this box which is so valid from long time ago, from this time when we were also in the bull market. It supported, so it give us support a lot of times here, 1 2 3 4 5. Then of course we expect this to be the most important resistance when we are going up again, and that's the point that Bitcoin will decide to end this in here and put us in a huge bull trap, or continue climbing up. But I told you, I showed you also this line. This is a very much valid line. I don't know, depend where and when it hits, but if it hits, for example, right in here is about 58,000, and after this time, if we go up and we back retesting it and we stay above it, then I can tell you that we are back into the bull market again. So guys, until that time, I cannot reject the idea that this could be a perfect bull trap. So it actually hunts a lot of retail money to be lost. Anyways guys, sorry, it just was error. Okay, let's continue. Look at it guys. Again, what's happening right now, right here? We have yet another rejection happening in here. Look at it. Again, we didn't manage, as far as to my knowledge, we exactly came right until to, we almost kissed it, but we again went down aggressively. I'm saying, it's not bad. It's not bad. We actually managed to come up all the way again. Let's see in the lower time frame in 1 hour. Look at it. Look at it. This is the yesterday that we made a lower high. If you compare it to this previous all-time high when we were actually in the channel. But I'm so much more frustrated today because we are out of the channel. This is the biggest channel that I think I'm not the only one showing you, this one at least. But yeah, guys, again, we look, the first support box didn't hold actually, and we fall to the second one. I put you also here. These are all valid, and I put and showed. If you were subscribed to this channel, if you were watching my previous videos, I showed you. I still didn't remove this beautiful falling wedge because I told you guys we are breaking out here, and if you would have put a long all the way with me, I gave you target at 49,200, and it met aggressively. It met sharply up, and we met the target. We took huge profit. If you took that trade with me, please leave me a comment down below and tell me that you took it, you profited, and I will be happy about it. And of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a simple trader. I'm investing, sometimes trading, and I'm just trying to share ideas. So with watching my video, please do not get excited. Do not put your money on something based on my words, because I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any license to actually practice that. I'm just sharing ideas here, and nothing should be taken as financial advice in this video. So let's jump back. I mean, let's not talk so much of these stuffs. Let's just look. Now we are in the box of support, and I hope it will take a support. I mean, if it's support, then it can have something in the short light from the short frame. We can have maybe some sort of the W pattern that we go up. Now let's move to the daily. Let's what's happening there. Of course, we not actually guys. I think market for some of you was exciting the past days, but from the trading perspective it wasn't, because we had all the time this sideways running. I mean, look at it. What happened actually? Nothing, no big move. Look at this, is a big move that we can say. Look at this daily that we were just going up. Look at this, we're going on down, not that much, but it's still up. So look at this area. Now I want to tell you, this area that you are seeing. So guys, this area is just sideways action. I mean, this is nothing big to trade. Anyways, of course, for short-term trade, as for example, this falling wedge that I showed you yesterday morning, well, that was, that could be, 2 days ago morning, it was perfect to trade for a very short time. That's why I traded, I exited my position. I don't hold it because, I mean, this is very short-term trade. And I have to, of course, going back to my RSI. RSI is quite important, and also, of course, I look at it most of the time in daily time. So I put this one yesterday in here, and I told you guys that we are preparing actually for a big move. I still believe that. Look at it. I mean, we got the rejection once again. We got the rejection. We didn't got the rejection. I'm sorry. I wasn't to say that we are touching it. We are kissing it. If we break back above this line, guys, if we break back above this line, which is possible, as a bull scenario, then we could be prepared for a nice, because I told you guys, we don't have so much of a time after breakup. Look at this triangle is taking form the RSI. I mean, when it's breaking back above it, if it's there to do so, then it has to decide. If it retests it and come down, then disaster. Goodbye bulls. If it's ready to break even this line and take us some higher and finish us with this bearish divergence that we have had for a long time since we started here from 28,000, then okay, then we could be perfectly prepared to go up, and then we might be long in the market perfectly, and we could get some nice profit, guys. I mean, I just want to keep it short, as the video short as much as possible, so I don't want to waste more time. I want to go jump to DXY. We always need to take a look at DXY. Don't forget, if you're trading, if you are new to trading, this is very important. I always mention to all of my friends, and here, thanks to this channel, thanks to YouTube, I have my channel, so I can mention it to you as well. Yesterday, all these drawings for the yesterday that I have done in here. So guys, DXY not looking strong today, but it went down. It's coming up. It might be ready to have some retest of this channel. I mean, when it's dropping, of course, I didn't expect so much that this DXY going down, break this line so much. But at the moment, what we are seeing, what is in the table, no, we can see that it's in general, looking at this kind of a chart, I don't like it to say this is bullish. This is not bullish to me, but there are some more longer term chart which I don't, because I'm more in the short trades than long. So there are some other long ideas. If you have, I respect that there are many people long term, they are bullish in the DXY, in the US dollar, and I understand that fully. I respect that. I think I'm not totally for it, but I think it might be the case. But in the shorter time frame, I had this line, didn't respect it, broke under it, and now let's go to the very short time frame, see how is the action of the DXY for today. Well, yeah, I mean, not much is doing. So, and guys, let me mention one more thing before I end this video. And thus, guys, if you are enjoying this video, if you enjoy what I'm showing you, if you enjoy the time that I spent to make this video, please make sure that you subscribe. It just takes you 1 millisecond of your time. I just put it also on the right corner down in here. You can just put that subscribe for me. If you like what I'm showing you, please make sure, support. Please hit the like. All I ask for some support, for all I'm showing you. And the thing is, guys, we are entering weekend. Today is Friday. We are entering weekend. That could be big for Bitcoin, because weekend price, they are usually fake prices, and that's why Bitcoin used to go up in the weekend. So maybe this is the case that we can finally go make a higher high than this 50,500 previous. But what we're gonna be? Am I going to enter a new long trade? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Why? I tell you why. Because we are still about. Out of this channel. What is about? If I tell you we come and retest this? Retest this, and then of course we made a higher high. But what if we retest the channel and we come back down here? Then was it a good line? I don't think so. Anyways, guys, I'm not telling you that we're gonna have such a sharp drop. I'm not also telling you that we're gonna have a, oh my god, sharp, long, so much long opportunity like that. I'm not saying that, but well, what the pattern? What I'm doing here. Anyways, but guys, let me know what you think in the comment down below. I appreciate your time that you're putting watching these ideas. I would also love to hear about your ideas, what you're doing, you longing, you shorting, you selling, you buying, whatever you're doing. And also, guys, you know that I'm making a lot of videos about altcoin. I'm sharing ideas about altcoin. If you just have more time, go and watch some. I made a video about Litecoin exploding yesterday, and Litecoin is doing actually extremely good. I also bring the chain link to your attention, and Chainlink been doing so far so good. And since the time that I posted the video, that you had, they are all time there. You can go and prove it yourself. Anyways, guys, that's if you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure that you give me a subscribe. This is your channel. I'm just trying to taking it forward. If you support me in this way, I would really appreciate that. If you hit that like button, I also appreciate. It's of course your choice, like or dislike. These are your option. You can like it, you can dislike it. I respect totally your decision in that. And guys, please share your ideas about share your idea with me, and I will be back with another, of course, daily analysis tomorrow. I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna do this job for you all, guys. And we all, of course, I'm trying to build a community. All of us together, we can have ideas when to invest, when to buy the dip, when to actually trade, when to long, when to short, when we are trader, either if we are leverage trader or spot trader. I'm trying also to find some nice altcoins that they are ready to exploit, so we can also invest in them. So all being said, that's all I got for you today, guys, for the Bitcoin, of course, daily analysis. And I will probably come back to you later with a daily altcoin views. So thank you, guys. That's all I got. Be blessed. The Dr. Crypto out.